Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send voice message on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to send a voice message, you can click on this plus icon and then you can click on send voice message. And you need to remember that we need to activate the voice message to get this feature on our Discord. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can get this feature. So you can go to your browser guys, and then you're going to search for Vanker.dev, this one. Okay, and then you're going to download this application. You're going to click on download here. Okay, here you can choose your computer's operating system. Mine is Windows, so we can select Windows, and then we can click on download Vanker installer. Okay, and I have already downloaded this one, and you can open up the Vanker and then click on install until you get this notification successfully patched, and click on OK. And then I'm going to go back to my Discord, and after you open your Discord, you can click on user setting, and the Vanker will be automatically added to your setting. And then you're going to go to the plugins and search for voice message, but just type in voice as the keyword, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the voice messages plugin, and then you can activate this one. Click on close, and then you're going to open up one of your room chat. Click on this plus icon and then click on send voice message. Okay, you can start the recording here. Okay, then just click on send. Okay, now the voice message is being sent, and now it's done. The recording here. Okay, and then okay guys, and that's all the way to enable a voice message on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.